office. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Hey guys. Yep, time to wake up, guys. Hey. The sheriff's office. Wake up. Need to sit up. Come on, get up. Wake up. Welcome back. Sit up.
Why?
Why? Can't have alcohol on the beach.
Why
You got ID?
not?
Do you have ID?
ID or different
How
one?
old is your kids here?
Give him my ID or give him yours.
Do you guys have children with you?
Give him my ID or give him yours.
Are they with you?
Hey, your kids with you?
Yes.
Where are they at? Hey,
Where are
your kids.
Right there.
One here and then one here.
Where's your ID? I don't have mine. So give him your ID. That's where he wants your ID. Are they right here? What's in here?
Hey, where are they? Where are they?
Go get the kids. I got this. I'll do
No.
it. You go.
Here, I'll go with him. Tell me where your kids are.
Okay.
How old are they?
7 to 8.
Boys, girls, boy and a girl?
Boy and a girl.
Okay, you don't know where they are?
Right at the beach. Right at the boat. Yeah. Leave everything else on the beach. You passed out. You're supposed to be watching under the kids. So, put it on speaker. Put the phone up there.
I'm trying.
What happened to your hand?
It's work.
Work?
Yeah. Some people wouldn't know about it.
Phone up there. It's not very nice.
I don't care.
I need you to come get the kids. Me and Timothy are both being arrested.
Is somebody able to come get the kids?
Come get the kids.
Why
Me
am I
and
being
Timothy
arrested?
are both being fucking arrested.
Alcohol on the beach and child neglect.
Can you tell him where we're at? Can you tell him where we're at?
So we're not allowed to have any beer at the beach?
Right, it's illegal.
Huh?
It's illegal to have alcohol on the beach.
Is it?
Yes.
I thought it was not glass.
Nope, glass is not allowed, but neither is
Can
alcohol.
you please give
Because
my
what happens is people get drunk and then they'll drown in the ocean.
I only had like 2 beers.
2 is still illegal.
2 is still illegal? 2 is still illegal.
No, the fucking cops here are dickheads. This lady is the only fucking person that's been nice. Him, everybody else has been fucking dickheads. So now we both go to fucking jail. Who the fuck is gonna bond us out?
No one.
Exactly. Now my grandpa has to drive fucking 8 hours to get the goddamn kids. No, I wanna listen to what my grandpa has to say. I wanna make sure my kids are fucking taken care of. I don't.
We can roll down the
I'm
window.
sorry, but
we can roll down the window.
and trust him and him. I don't trust them. No.
In the truck. She said in the truck.
Can you just wait?
You can roll down the window.
Just wait. I want to make sure my kids are fucking.
We're gonna make sure they're taken care of.
Okay, so tell him to come over here and let me listen to what my grandpa's saying.
He's writing down the message right now.
And I can't hear nothing.
In the truck.
I'm telling you to get in the truck, and I'd like you to get in yourself. And so that's
I want
you
to
get in
make
the
sure
truck.
my
I've been
kids.
trying to
Well,
work
they
with
get in the
you this
truck,
whole
please.
time, and
Where are my kids gonna go?
going to the Family Resource Center. So they're going to take care of them. They'll feed them. They'll clothe them. And they'll be comfortably waiting until your was it father or grandfather arrives. Okay. I need you to get in the truck with me. Okay. We've been drawing this out too long. You said you want to get this over with. Let's try to get this over with. Okay. You got it.
Stupid.
Call an ambulance, please. Hey! Call a guardian. Hey! Wake up! Wake up!